Hey, it's me, Leah, and today we're going to talk about this above ground reusable pool filter. But what I'm going to show you is and there's some assembly to it too. So here it is all put together. And now we're going to make this dirty and show you how easy it is to clean off. And like this literally just comes undone. Right? So let's go make this dirty. So here we have it all dirty, and what makes this really easy to use
Recording?
Yeah. I'm just spraying it off with the hose. And just like that, it is clean again, and I can wrap it around and use it again. This was gifted to me free for review, and I highly recommend.